This is the FRUITEAM 22lb Umbrella Base. This was sent to me for review and demo. If you're looking for a sturdy, stylish, and easy to assemble umbrella base, this one checks all the boxes.
It even comes with all the tools you need, screws and a wrench, so you can assemble it quickly, no extra tools required. The square base features a durable 15-inch square design with a beautiful sun pattern that adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. Made from high-quality resin, it's waterproof, UV-resistant, and rust-proof, ensuring it stands up to the elements year after year. I love how easy it is to move around the yard depending on where I need shade. And even though it's easy to reposition, it holds the umbrella securely in place without tipping. It's designed with an adjustable knob to fit umbrella poles between 1.5 and 1.9 inches, keeping your umbrella stable and wobble-free. Perfect for patios, gardens, poolside, or backyard lounging. This versatile base is built for wherever you need reliable shade. Just make sure to tighten the knob securely before use for maximum stability. This umbrella base is durable, easy to use, and makes any outdoor setup look more polished.